What stands out in this house from the very first glance is how it appears solid and closed from the outside, yet reveals itself as soft, full of light, and deeply connected to nature on the inside. Located in Mérida, Mexico, Oasis 93 House was conceived as a monolithic and permeable structure where each space connects to the outdoors through courtyards, strategic openings, and the constant presence of native vegetation. The social areas were placed to prioritize views of the lush regional greenery and allow for natural cross-ventilation, while the service areas function as visual buffers from neighboring properties. Precise openings in the volume allow light to enter and create voids that act as breathing spaces between interior environments. From the entrance to the back of the lot, the path is guided by natural light and gardens, creating a gentle transition between public and private areas. The material palette, in neutral tones and raw finishes, includes stone flooring sourced from a local quarry and handcrafted plaster walls, emphasizing the natural character of the surroundings. In the same way, the imperfections in the materials allow time and weather to leave their mark naturally, without requiring complex maintenance, even in conditions of high humidity and extreme temperatures. At the heart of the house, the kitchen plays a key role. It organizes circulation and connects directly to the social veranda. Its higher ceiling enhances natural ventilation and turns the space into a constant gathering point.